Okay, boys, confirmants, please stand beside the fathers. Cyrus and the rest to speak us. And girls up front. So after all our confirmants, next will be our altar servers. Please prepare. Okay, congratulations everyone. Altar servers, please be here in front for the picture taking. Altar servers, please come in front. Before you go, please make sure you have signed the attendance outside. Confirmants, parents, and godparents, before you leave, please make sure that you have already signed the attendance from the advisor. You may now go to your parents and godparents. Thank you very much. And congratulations.